is almost 35,300 crores. In detail, during the budget, we are going to speak. Interests also have been doubled. 2016-17 J loan carded the principal amount. As per RBI, they say, as per CAG, that all these payments will come, they have to be paid today. So the government does not have the right the way they are doing events, spending hundreds of crores, not just 677 crores. It's not a small amount. The Chief Minister doesn't deny that. So from 2022 onwards, 677 crores, roughly 46 lakhs per day. The Prime Minister comes, he spends 22 lakhs per minute. 13 crore event for a 1 hour event. So if you look at this, they've got, I said in the morning, they are looting in the name of events. We asked the Chief Minister that he needs to curtail, bring in some measures. If you look, the Chief Minister, the first time when I spoke on the budget, I remember the first budget I spoke about this FRBM violations, especially 25% debt to GSTP ratio. That has to be below 25%, but the way the Chief Minister has gone way at more than even 30%. He's trying to control it. ह्या रीण काडप म्हणटाय ते एक दुयेंस आनी हे दुयेंस काडून म्हाका दिसता लोकांक पयशे मेळटा जाल्यार दुसरी भाशा हे पयशे हेच खाता इव्हेंट करून नाचता दुखोता आनी कितें दुखोता हिंग दुखोता थिंग दुखोता मोडिताय आनी हे पयशे खाताय सो म्हाका दिसता हे मुखार स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हे प्रोग्राम केलो आनीक स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय करपाचे प्रयत्न केले हे स्वयंपूर्ण प्रयत्न काय कितें सरकाराचे हे सगळे आमी तांकां क्वेश्चन केलेले आहाय खास करून टॅक्सीचो इशू वी वर नॉट कॉल्ड ऑपोजिशन MLAs वर नॉट कॉल्ड द टॅक्सी इश्यू इज समथींग दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट नीड्स टू बी रिझॉल्व आमचे टॅक्सीचे एम्बेसेडर आणि जी टॅक्स एग्रिगेटर पॉलिसी आहा ही एग्रिगेटर पॉलिसी ते स्क्रॅप कोतले म्हणून तेमी आमकां अश्युरन्स दिलेले आसा न्यू पॉलिसी दे वील टेक एवरी वन टुगेदर तेज नंतर जे म्हाका दिसता वेन यू स्पोक ऑन द कॉलिंग अटेंशन अबाउट people and the war, what is happening in the Gulf. The Chief Minister and their ministry are clueless, absolutely ridiculous when other states are preparing. Maharashtra has got people already by charter flights, Kerala has acted, and Goa is sleeping. We do not even have a number to contact. We have to contact the NRI Commissioner's office for what? And je म्हाका दिसता information aspak जाय कितले गोंयकार Gulf into the hub. There are huge number of people. They are suffering there. They are scared. Here, people are not aware. With regards to the LPG supply, also during 0 hour, I mentioned about the shortage that is expected for commercial products. Je म्हाका दिसता we are a tourism industry state. Anik एक म्हयनो ही LPG कमर्शियल युजाक अवेलेबल आहा असो मुखेलमंत्री सांगता and on what basis this I'm not sure. We have to be serious. We cannot be caught how we were caught during COVID times. The government was caught off guard because they were not prepared. They took it very easy. I believe with the way the war is heading, anything can happen. LPG could be affected, internet could be affected. The internet આજે જે Arabian Sea basically the connection with most of the data that we get from there. In the Red Sea, there is a disconnect. It cannot be fixed. So these are several issues. We need to think out of the box. When there is a war, we need to think out of the box. Get number of LPG gases. Double engine सरकार म्हणटा हे स्टोर आसपाक जाय लोकांक त्रास जावपाक शिरीपणा हो फक्त हे डबल इंजिन सरकार ज्या पद्दतीन आज आमी एक्सपोज केलेले आसा there seems to be a disconnect. They are not interested. This we will make sure दोन दीस जाले in the front we will make sure that we expose.
युरी बाबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टरान एक टॅक्सींचेर आरोप केल्लो आसा ते आपले स्वताचे इनकम लिपोवपा खातीर अशे विरोध करता.
ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टरान जोरी तर ते भाशेन उलयता आनी आमचे इनोसंट टॅक्सी भावाचेर ह्याच पद्दतीन नांव पेड्डेर केलेले आसा. सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन 8 म्हयने जाले 8 म्हयने जावन आमकां आपोवंक ना आनी तें कितें जालें 9 म्हयने जावन बाल्तिमा आपयतले काय आमकां बाल्तीम जायन आपयतले केन्ना आपयतलो आपोवपा जाय न्हू तेणें मागीर तो तेंचेर घाता ती कोण एकल्या मारूंक गेलो आनी कितें केलो ते कोण तेतून उलोवं ना आनी सगळीं नाटकां हेंकां हे गोवा मायल्सात स्टेक आसा कोणा स्टेक आसा तेंकां कित्याक गोवा मायल्स ते प्रोटेक्ट करता ते कितें PRO गोवा मायल्साचे प्रश्न आशिल्लो अबाउट गोवा टॅक्सी ब्रदर्स सो वी आर फायटींग फॉर दॅट वी वील मेक शुअर दॅट वॉट एवर नीड्स टू बी डन इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवन टॅक्सी ब्रदर्स वी वील फायट.
So this minister have an interest in getting Goa miles.
Definitely this minister, this government has bought this system, a double system. They bought in section 140. ये 140 तेमी जेन्ना हाडले or they took it out. At that particular time, they bought this जे मीटर आहा दॅट मिटर घालपा नाका म्हणून एग्रिगेटराक त्या वेळारू ते रिझॉल्व जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें. So definitely people without not having conflict of interest, they would not take so much interest, especially taking on Goan taxi drivers.
थँक्यू